names are Eric Omondi, came from Nyamwanga village. I am 14 years old. I learn in Nyamwanga Primary School. I was number 2 last term.
Out of how many kids?
Out of 32 kids.
Okay.
Welcome home.
Okay.
Here is our sitting room, where we welcome visitors and other people. And here is where our animals sleeping. Like goat, kettles, and sheep.
Okay, so that's where they sleep at night?
Yes.
So nobody steals them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here is my bedroom and studying place. This is my bed, and this is where I'm studying. All of these are my books, which I'm using them.
Okay, this is your mother's house, right?
Yes. He died 2 years ago.
Okay.
And I'm living with one of my brothers here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you want to be?
I want to be a pilot when I grow up. I will put more effort in my learning, and I would like to be a pilot.
And you're going to be the first pilot?
Yeah, from Nyamwanga village.
Okay. So now, how do you study at night?
I'm studying using my tin lamp here. And
I'll pick it up, let's see.
This one. And sometimes if there's no kerosene, I sleep without learning.
Where do you get the money for kerosene?
My brother brought them.
Okay. Alright, so today we are here to give you a solar lantern.
Yeah.
Which has been donated by friends from the United States of
America.
Okay, so we're going to give you one solar lantern, and we're going to tell you who donated it to you. And what we want you to do is, when you pray, you pray for him and his family. Okay?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to hand you over the solar lantern. Okay. This is the solar lantern that you're going to donate to Eric here. Eric is my first cousin. Eric's mom was my dad's sister. She was, I think, the 5th born in the family. She passed on 2 years ago, and we are trying to support Eric. This is the lantern, and this one has been donated by Joey Angus. Okay?
Yes.
So you pray for Mr. Joey Angus. This is one of my directors.
Yeah.
You press this, it comes on. You press that,
go off.
Yeah. So the advantage of these, and get the tin lamp. Give me the tin lamp. Versus the tin lamp is this will give you more light that protects your eyes, and this one has no smoke. This one has a lot of smoke.
That pollute air.
Yeah. Oh. This boy is bright. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, the smoke pollutes
air and environment.
Air and environment.
Yeah.
And we don't want to be people who pollute
environment.
Yes, we want to be people who conserve environment, right?
Yeah.
That's when it's good for everybody. And also the smoke affects your lungs and respiratory system, okay?
Yeah.
So now with this, hold this, no smoke, no polluting the environment. This one is clean, you press. Then when the charge dies off, we got, what is this?
Solar.
Yes, you got the solar panel that you take, and I'm going to show you outside there how what I can show you here. You put this down in the shade, and then you take this solar panel, you put it here, and then you put this in the sun, okay?
Yeah.
Put for like 4 hours. This one will charge this. This has to be in the shade so that the batteries here do not go bad. This can last you for 4 years if you take care of it, okay?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is if you're going to school, where do you keep it?
I will keep it under my bed.
Yeah, under your bed.
Yes.
And when you're putting it out for the sun, you have to be playing around here so nobody steals it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And pray for Joey Angerson, his family, and for the company I work for. It's called MRC Global. Okay?
Yeah.
They're the ones who made this possible. All right?
Yes.
Do you have anything you want to say now? Can you say thank you to Mr. Joey?
I thank you, Mr. Joy Enger, for brought for me this lamp to use it. It will make me to see well and to learn well. I thank you for broughting for me this lamp. I will pray for you and I will like to see you in my life.
When you come to America,
Yeah.
when you come for the pilot classes,
Yes.
you're going to see Joey Angers.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You're the youngest, one of the youngest recipients of this project, okay?
Yeah.
And study hard, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.